Hello, welcome back, my friend. And if you're new here, welcome to Faith Divine TV. This is episode 7 of Stories of Faith Restored. Today I'm going to talk about how I tried to fix myself before coming to God. I used to think I had to clean myself up before coming to God, like He'd only want me if I was polished, healed, and holy, so I tried to fix the anger. I tried to bury the shame. I tried to numb the pain that kept bubbling back up when no one was around. And every time I thought I was making progress, I'd fall again. Harder. Deeper. Until I started to believe that maybe I was just unfixable. I got good at pretending, smiling in public, crying in secret, quoting Bible verses I didn't believe applied to me, serving others while silently wondering if God even saw me. I kept saying, once I get this part of my life under control, then I'll really go all in. But the more I delayed, the more distant God felt. And yet deep down I still longed for Him. I just didn't think He wanted me like this. I'll never forget the night everything changed. I was sitting alone in my car after messing up again. Tears streaming, heart heavy, and this quiet whisper pierced through my storm. You don't have to fix yourself to come to me. Come, and I'll do the fixing. It wasn't loud, it wasn't dramatic, but it was real. And in that moment, I broke. Not in despair, but in surrender. Romans 5:2-8 says, "But God demonstrates His own love for us in this. While we were still sinners, Christ died for us. Not after we had it together, not after we conquered our addictions or escaped our shame. While we were still sinners." That truth shattered the lie I'd been believing for years. God never asked me to be perfect. He just asked me to come. Let me be honest, everything didn't magically change overnight. But I stopped hiding. I started bringing my mess to God instead of running from Him. And something powerful happened. He didn't reject me. He embraced me. He showed me that grace isn't a reward for the healed, it's the healing itself. Every scar, every struggle became a place where His mercy met me. Maybe you're where I was, just telling yourself, I'll come to God when I'm better. Can I tell you the truth? You don't have to have it all together. You don't have to fix what's broken before you bring it to Him. You just have to come. Isaiah 1:18 says, "Though your sins are like scarlet, they shall be as white as snow." It's not a metaphor. That's a promise. Today I walk in freedom not because I fixed myself, but because I stopped trying to earn what Jesus already paid for. His love didn't wait for my transformation. It caused it. And every day I'm learning it's okay to still be healing, because I'm not walking alone anymore. If you've been waiting to get it all right before coming to God, stop running. Stop hiding. Just come as you are. This is your reminder. You're not too broken. You're not too far gone. You are deeply loved and grace is waiting. So, if this hits home, share your story in the comments or like it to help it reach others who may need to hear this, as you never know who it will encourage. And if you haven't done so already, please hit that subscribe button so you never miss an episode. So until next time, stay rooted, stay real, and keep walking with Jesus. Thank you for watching and supporting this channel.